Hi, my name is Rik Tamm-Daniels, Group Vice President for Ecosystems and Technology with Informatica. Data is a critical asset. Companies have realized that there is tremendous business insights to be mined from their data, and as a result, are striving to become data-driven. But in order to leverage that data, you have to overcome three key challenges: data discovery, data quality and trust, and data access. First off, data discovery. You have to know what data is available. In a recent CDO study, we learned that 79% of companies leverage more than 100 data assets from on-premises to cloud, and their data is growing exponentially. How will you know what data is available and where to find it? This is what Sunrun, a leading solar power company, grappled with. They wanted to accelerate cloud migration and build data pipelines faster to save time for IT and to improve refresh cycles for their data consumers. With Google Cloud and Informatica, Sunrun reduced data warehouse design time by 50% and infrastructure build time by 75%. They were also able to deliver high-quality analytics to business users 3 times faster. Second, data quality and trust. Once you find the data, can you trust it? Are there duplicates or errors in the data, or where did it even come from in the first place? Is this data I can rely upon to make my decisions? Sul America, Brazil's largest insurer, discovered that 20% of their customer records were duplicates. Cleaning and mastering that data, Sul America now has a trusted 360-degree view of their customers. And lastly, data access. There are more data consumers than ever before, and you have to be able to deliver data to everyone who needs it, but do so in a way that enforces data protection and policies without creating undue burden for end users. Feeding America, with more than 200 food banks, provides emergency food assistance to more than 40 million people. Using and sharing data was a critical challenge, as each food bank was an independent organization. Feeding America was making decisions about food sourcing based on historical survey data that was in some cases up to 3 months old. Feeding America was able to connect their food banks through Informatica and Google BigQuery and democratize their data so that they can make better decisions on how to minimize food waste and help ensure that people get enough to eat. Customers should be looking for solutions that address all of the challenges of data management. Becoming data-driven is a journey, and having integrated and intelligent data management services that address each of the data management challenges I discussed is key to delivering a scalable platform for data democratization. We truly help facilitate data democratization in a single cloud-native platform, significantly accelerating outcomes and time to value for Google customers.